Enjoy the view of this 2024 Nissan Frontier. Here's a hard-working Nissan Frontier, the midsize pickup that's durable, comfortable, and up to the task. Whether you're on the job site or hitting the trail, this rugged partner has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, bed liner, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors. Add a little creature comfort to your workday when you're at the wheel of this Frontier. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.